Hey YouTube and TikTok family. So this this Everstar Max 1000 amp jump starter that I got from my car, it can jump start the car, any car up to 8 cylinders. It has a air compressor for you to inflate your tires, and I actually watched this do that. I also saw that it can power up my mini air conditioner, so I'm like really freaking out right now. It can also power up my regular fan. And now I'm finna test it. Oh, and it can power up my tripod light, my ring light. And also now I'm finna try it on the coffee maker. If it can do the coffee maker, I am in love. I am in love. So here is the coffee maker. It's still actually charging right now, but we're gonna look. Okay, wait, where is it at? Right over. Hey, we got light. We got a goddamn light on. Oh my god. So, damn. Okay. So, shit. I get out. This bitch is making my coffee, y'all. Oh my god. I don't have a Jackery, but I got my jump start, which on a medium charge, because it ain't full yet, it is powering up my coffee maker. Are you serious? Look at this, y'all. I got this Eversmart Max from Walmart for $80 plus tax. Look, ain't gotta use no damn propane. Look. Look. Get out of here. And y'all know my skillet that I got in the car plugs into the cigarette lighter. And look at what we got right here. A cigarette lighter for my skillet. And this thing is making coffee, y'all. The Everstar Max 1000 amp. It's making me a little, this is my 5 cup coffee maker. And this thing is, oh my god, it's doing the damn thing, y'all. Let's push it to the test. Here's the